How to temporarily deactivate Snapchat account. To temporarily deactivate our Snapchat account, open up Snapchat, tap the Bitmoji avatar from the top left, then tap the gear icon from the top right hand side. Scroll down and you'll find various options here. Go to the one that says Health Center. From Health Center, you can see various options. So what you want to do is, in the search bar, just type in something like deactivate. So once you search for deactivate, you can see how do I deactivate or delete my Snapchat account. Just tap on that option. So to deactivate it, you'll find various options. On Android, you can log into this Snapchat account portal. So you can tap on this link. If you're using iOS, you can also log into that same account portal. Or if you're using web, just same that account portal. So just tap on this Snapchat accounts portal link. When you do that, you can see it will open up a Snapchat portal link where we can go ahead and then log in with our account again. So we can just type in our account details over here, or we can select open in Snapchat and we can open up this web browser where we can choose to enter our details, and after that we'll be taken to the page where we can deactivate our Snapchat account. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.